raisin sauce with grilled meat. Oh, that's the one I am going to do. To serve with that, I need couscous also. So quickly I will make the couscous and keep it and then come back. Okay. First thing I am going to do is with couscous, right? To serve with meat. So I have taken half a cup of couscous. Put it into a bowl. Then I am going to put stock. Same quantity stock I have to take, right? Boil that stock. Chicken stock I took. So we will boil that. While I am boiling, it has to be boiled well. While I am doing that, I will put a little bit, a teaspoon of butter also. Later, I am not going to do anything with couscous. So, I will put a little bit of salt to the couscous. A bit of salt, because from the stock also you will get, and a little bit of pepper and a little chili pieces. So now what I am going to do is, I will pour this quantity of this stock into this. Cover and keep it aside. Now I am going to roast the meat. So to roast the meat, what we have to do is boil the chunk of meat. Mutton, chicken, any meat you like, you can take. Chunk of meat and then cut into slices. While you boil also, you can pressure cook so that it's easy for us to cut into slices later, right? So now what I am going to do here is, I am going to put the sauce, tomato paste and soy sauce. Those two, mix it nicely into this. I'll put the meat into this. I have to keep my grill pan ready. The meat slices, I will put it. Tomato paste. What did I put? Tomato paste and soy sauce. Can I? Now what I am doing, you can see this, we are roasting it. On the grill pan only I have put, we can use the normal pan or this grill pan, no problem at all. Already this is boiled, but I want to grill this so that the meat will be tasty. So it will take a little time for us to grill, at least 10 minutes to grill and take this, right? If I am going to bake this, you know, if I am baking it, how long will it take? At least 45 minutes it will take. Now we are grilling it. Within 5 minutes, I think it has got grilled. So it's nice to serve with that. So I will off this cooker. Lunch or dinner or whatever you like, you can have it. Right, let it be. We have lots of other things to do. Raisin sauce, we'll make the raisin sauce now. Now I am going to do the raisin sauce. To make the raisin sauce, we need raisins as well as the stock. So we will see how we are going to cook these raisins. 60 grams of raisins I have put. Stock. 1 cup, and I have another half a cup which I will use it later. Half a cup I have to use it because I have to use for the corn flour. The raisins with the stock you cook. While I am cooking, I will add all my tasty ingredients: pepper, salt, a bit of chili pieces, a little turmeric, all a little of everything. Just put it and cook that. Now what I am going to do is, while this is getting boiled, I am going to add, I took 1 cup only, I put, other half a cup is there. I have to put corn flour, put 1.5 teaspoons. Add into this. Only thing I wanted to do is, see, this sauce is going waste. So I will put this sauce into this. Otherwise, in vain the sauce. You know, no, as a housewife, we can't use all this and waste also. So soy sauce and the tomato paste was there. I put that also. Generally, we don't use that, but I used it. Now that has got nicely thickened. The sauce is thickened, right? While the sauce is thickened, I have off the cooker and I will use vinegar. A teaspoon of vinegar I will use. And that is after offing the cooker. About 1.5 teaspoons of butter also. Butter also we will use. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to put it on my grilled meat. I have put it, right? So it's tasty, it's going to be nice, tasty, and the balance I will put into this. Keep it. To make the couscous, see, I have already done this couscous for you. See how nice it looks. I put salt, pepper, and a little bit of chili pieces, all that I have put. Instead of serving with bun or say with, you can have it with bun, we can have it with rice, you can have this grilled meat with garlic bread, naan roti, what do you want, what else you want, you can have it with whatever you like, you can have it, right? So you can serve like this. We have done the grilled meat with the raisin sauce, and the couscous I have done it, and you saw how we made it. Really, we didn't cook again, only pour boiling stock and the seasoning, and we have taken it. So it can be rice, it can be noodles, it can be pasta, it can be even rotis or anything that you like, you can have it. But here I am going to do a small preparation. We can't just have it like that alone, isn't it? So we will see what we are going to do here. For this I need apple, onions, and capsicum, red pepper and parsley, and a little bit of orange, grated orange. See what we are going to do now. See, now we are putting a little oil. After putting a little oil, whenever I prepare something, you can always remember, I use oil but not too much. Cook the onions. Onions, see, into large pieces, chopped, big pieces. Onions are put. Then I will use the capsicum, red pepper. We can use apple, any apple. Most probably we use green apples. Today I use the red apples into this. Add a little salt, pepper, chili pieces. Okay. turmeric, that's all. When we do cooking, it should be nice, tasty, and it should be really good for you. Now, this is ready, and my couscous is also ready. The full meal, I mean, it's a wholesome meal that I have done here. Sing, sing and cook, it's nice. If you can sing and dance and cook, it's nice. Orange zest I'm using so that it will be nice. Oh, tasty. Now, we have done this a wholesome meal. I told you that it can be done in this way so that it's nice and tasty. So, the grilled meat, instead of grilled meat, chicken grilled, meat grilled, if you want fish you can grill it, and whatever vegetables if you want. If you are a vegetarian, you can take the vegetables such as potatoes and carrots can be grilled in soy sauce and tomato paste. You grill it on the grill pan. After you grill on the grill pan, we can serve it with the raisin sauce, and you can do like this. It's so nice. And please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You will get all my recipes, not only you enjoying, tell your friends also. All your friends should learn to do all these preparation. I am doing it as a mother for you so that you will learn and you will make use of all these different type of things we should know. If you take your family, family will tell, "Ayyo, always this the food, this is the food, different food." You can say, "Who had taught you? Your mom." So prepare all this and see, you will enjoy. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you will enjoy all my recipes. Thank you and bye for the time being.